By 2006, IA creators will earn 10x more than traditional artists, but only if they master these 9 game-changing skills. Here's your roadmap. Prompt engineering isn't just typing words anymore. Learn to structure complex requests, use negative prompts, and understand model psychology. Artists earning 50K prompt monthly know that precision in prompts equals precision in results. This skill separates amateurs from professionals making serious income. Create a signature style using consistent parameters and custom models. They blend DALL-E, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and specialized software. Master workflow optimization, generating in one tool, refining in another, compositing in a third. Efficiency multiplies output, output multiplies income. Specialization pays, versatility pays better. Understand commercial standards, upscaling, color grading, copyright compliance, and delivery formats. Learn to iterate based on client feedback without losing creative vision. Position yourself as a professional solution, not just an artist. That's where 100 Talent T-Pla's annual income lies in reliability and polish. Drop a comment, which skill will you master first? Subscribe for weekly art secrets that actually make money. Understand Rajani art secrets